I'm going to be teaching you how to make a cookie clicker in Scratch. So I already drew an image of a cookie. Well, actually, I just took one off of Google and put an outline on it. You can get this in the description, or you can find any cookie you want, or you could just use your own thing. It doesn't have to be a cookie. But this is the only sort that we're going to be using in part 1. In other parts, we're probably going to need background and stuff. But this is part 1, so let's just get simple and only do the cookie. So, first, when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0. Now drag out a forever. Then drag out a set size. Now drag out a divide by, a 3. Now drag out a subtract block and drag it in the left side of the division. Now you want to put size right here, and you want to put 130 here. Oh, I think that's the other way. Okay. Or you could just, I think 400, 450 or something is good. Okay, that's good. 450 minus size and then divide by 3. Okay, now you want to drag out another when green flag clicked. And also in this one, you want to do, in the one that we already made, you want to do show clear all graphics effects and switch costume to cookie. Now in the other when green flag clicked, you want to do forever if else. And now you drag out an or. Actually no. Drag out if a touching mouse pointer. And now you want to drag out, you want to copy this block but change it to a chain size. And you only want to do 100 or something. Or 300. I don't know. You can decide. You can change up all of these values. It doesn't matter. But I'm figuring out something that works for me. I like this one, so I'm going to do 250. And then else, you don't even need an else. Okay. Now you want to drag out an if, and now drag out an or. Then drag out a mouse down. And then in the other or, you want to put a touching mouse pointer. You want to do this. So now you hover it. It gets pretty big. And if you click it, it gets bigger. Actually, probably don't even need it. Don't need this. So now when you start it now, you want to do an and actually. Okay, now when you click it, it changes by 50. Or you could literally just do 50, 30. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. And now when you click it, it changes by 50. Also, you can change around with all of these values after we're done with the tutorial, but I recommend just using mine. So after that, you want to go to sounds and you want to choose sound. Now you want to find the gallop sound. This one. Okay. Now right here, you want to cut the sound. Now it's gonna sound like this. And it sounds like a click. You also want to rename it to click, just in case you don't get confused. And you just want to do that. Although there's a glitch so that you can hold it, and that's pretty annoying. So you want to do wait until, and then you want to drag out a not, and copy paste the and touching mouse pointer. Also keep it in the if block. So now when you click it, it just does that. And you can't hold it or anything. Now we can like click it and stuff. But now we probably should like drag out we should make a score now. So when you should create a new variable and call it clicks. And then when GreenFly clicked, you want to set clicks to 0. And when the mouse is clicked, you want to change clicks by 1. And for now, you want to change it to a large readout. Okay, that's it for part 1 of the cookie clicker. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.